You might feel fine. You get up, go to work, handle your day. But underneath, something's changing. You move slower. You tire faster. Your body isn't screaming for help yet, it's whispering. Today, we reveal 5 silent signs your body may be failing after 40, and what you must do now before it's too late. If you feel exhausted after a full night's sleep, that's not normal. Chronic fatigue is one of the earliest red flags that your system is running low testosterone, sluggish metabolism, hidden inflammation. It's not about motivation. Your body is asking for better sleep, smarter nutrition, and daily movement. Small shifts, like strength training twice a week and cutting processed sugar, can revive your energy before it's gone for good. That stubborn belly isn't just about calories. It's a signal. After 40, your metabolism slows, your insulin sensitivity drops, and cortisol levels spike. Belly fat becomes harder to burn because your hormonal balance is shifting against you. The fix? Prioritize high-protein meals, control carb timing, and sleep deeply every night. Without these changes, the fat won't just stay, it will multiply. You roll out of bed, and your body creaks like an old machine. Morning joint stiffness isn't just normal aging. It's often low-grade inflammation built up over years. Simple movements become uncomfortable. The remedy? Anti-inflammatory nutrition, think leafy greens, salmon, turmeric, and daily mobility exercises. Ignore it, and stiffness today could turn into immobility tomorrow. Where did your spark go? If you've lost motivation, at work, at home, in the gym, it's not laziness. It's a sign that hormones, blood flow, and even neurotransmitters are out of sync. Your body needs real fats, quality sleep, and resistance training. Rebuild your testosterone, and you'll rebuild your momentum. Your fire isn't dead, it's smoldering. It's time to reignite it. Forgetfulness isn't just stress anymore. Brain fog, slow thinking, missing small details, these are alarms. Inflammation, poor circulation, and gut issues all attack your clarity. Water, omega-3 fats, magnesium, and daily movement can rebuild your mental edge. Your mind doesn't have to decline just because the calendar says you're older. After 40, small signs become big problems, if you ignore them. But if you act now, you can slow, even reverse the damage. Strengthen your gut. Move daily. Rest with purpose. Eat for fuel, not just for flavor. You're not too old. You're too valuable to settle for survival. Subscribe now, because we're not here just to age. We're here to rebuild.